Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide your birthday in Facebook on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. Okay, so let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. If you haven't, just log in. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this three horizontal lines, this menu icon over here. So let me tap on this, and after that guys you have to tap on your profile name, and then you have to tap on this edit public details, this button. And on this screen guys you have to scroll down at the very bottom and then tap on this edit your about info. Okay, let me tap on this, and I have this about screen opened, and on this screen guys you have to scroll down to this basic info section. You can see guys, I have my birthday currently set to public. So in order to edit this you have to tap on this edit link next to this basic info. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys, I have this screen opened, and here I have this birthday section. Okay, so in order to hide this birth month and date, you have to tap on this audience selected, this button next to this birthday. Okay, so let me tap on this, and you can see guys, I have various options like public, friends. You can see currently I have this set to public. You can see the check mark. So just tap on this more options, and you can see here I have this option only me. Okay, so you have to select this option. So just tap on this only me, and you can see this option is now selected. You can see the lock icon, and in order to hide this birth here you have to tap on this audience selected, this button next to this birth here. So let me tap on this, and again you have to tap on this more options and select this only me. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys, only me option is now selected next to this birth here. And after that guys you have to scroll down at the very bottom and then tap on this save button. So let me tap on this. It's saving and it's done. You can see birthday privacy is now set to only me. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily hide your birthday in Facebook on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.